Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin ating series about Precalculus and dito sa video na pag-uusapan natin yung zeros of a function. No? So sabi dito sa ating definition, sabi niya zeros of function f are the solutions to the equation f of x equals 0. Now in other words, x is a zero of f if and only if x0 is an intercept of the graph of y equals f of x. Now, isa-isayin natin, medyo mahaba. No? Unahin muna natin yung unang sentence. Sabi niya, the zeros of the function are, or the zeros of the function f are the solutions to the function f of x equals 0. Ibig sabihin, isa-set natin yung f of x equals 0 and then we look for the value of x. Ano ang input that will make the output 0? No? Ito yung sabihin nito. No? So, if we have a specific function, for example, we have f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. Ano ang input? Anong value ng x that will make this 0? So, ang gagawin natin, we substitute 0 to this and then we look for the value of x, di ba? Now, this is a quadratic function. Baliktarin natin para mas convenient. And we know that this is also correct na piniliktad ko lang kasi mas komportable ako, but you can do this this way, no? And then we know that this is a quadratic equation. And pag may quadratic equation tayo, ano ba ginagawa natin? It's either we factor or we use the quadratic formula to find the value of x. No? But I think this is obvious na factorable siya. This is x minus 2 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. And this will become 0 if one of them, this or this, is 0. No? So x minus 2, the first one is x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2. This will become 0 if x equals 2 because 2 minus 2 is 0 times any number here is equal to 0. Also, this is x minus 3 is equal to 0, x equals 3. So we have two values here. We have x equals 2 and we have x equals 3. So remember, these are the solutions to the equation f of x equals 0, meaning they are the zeros of this function. Okay? Now, what about yung pangalawang sentence? In other words, x is a zero of f if and only if x0 is an intercept of the graph of y equals f of x. Remember, sinet natin yung y sa 0. So, ibig sabihin, yung ordered pair, 0 yung y natin, di ba? Diba? And dito sa kabilang part, ang value natin ay 2 at sa kabilang part naman or sa kabilang point, 3, 0. Meaning, these points are intercept of the graph of y equals f of x. So, 0 siya kasi intercept yung dalawang yan. Pag hindi yan intercept, hindi siya 0 yung y values nila, no? So, yan yung ibig sabihin nun, no? Now, pwede nating tignan yan sa graph. Ano ba ibig sabihin nito? So, we have f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. Yan yung graph natin. Now, ano ba ibig sabihin ng 2, 0 tsaka 3, 0? Ano nakikita nyo sa graph dito? 2, 0, tsaka 3, 0. Diba ito yun? So, ano sabi niya kanina? They are the intercept. Now, graphically, intercept means the intersection of the x-axis and the graph. Now, we have to be careful because dalawang klase meron tayong x-intercept tsaka y-intercept. So, yung y-intercept naman ito, no? This is the intersection of the y-axis and the graph. Ito naman intersection ng x-axis sa graph. So, ito yung zeros ng function na tinatawag natin. Okay? So, makikita niya yung, pagkakaiba. Now, question, bakit natin siniset dito yung y is 0, maliban dun sa definition natin kanina? Because graphically, we want to find the points, no, on the x-axis. Pag nag-type tayo ng y equals 0 na graph, anong sa tingin nyo mangyayari dyan? Pag y equals 0. It's a horizontal line, di ba? y equals 0. Hindi natin siya nakikita, but we can actually palitan natin ng red para makita natin. Iskapalan natin ang konti. So, y equals 0 is actually a horizontal line. Nasaan siya? A horizontal line coinciding with the x-axis. No? So, nakapatong siya sa x-axis. So, nung sinet natin yung y kanina sa 0 and finding the value of x, sinasabi lang natin, remember? Sinet natin yung y sa 0. Ang y natin is the f of x, di ba? Y and f of x are equal. No? Ang f of x nga lang, isang notation siya, but this is actually equal to y. When we set y to 0, no? Ibig sabihin, and solve for x, nasaan ang value ng x pag y equals 0? No? So, ito yung dalawang value na x, yung 2 at saka 3. Yung nakita natin kanina. So, when you set y equals 0 and solve for x, you're actually finding the points doon sa y equals 0, which is the same as the x-axis. No? Kasi ang y equals 0 at x-axis, magkapatong yung dalawang yan. No? Okay, so yun yung graphical interpretation na sinasabi natin kanina. That pag siya ay solutions, pag siya ay zeros ng function, automatic siya ay intercept. No? Remember, ang intercept, point siya, no? Points. Ang solutions are numbers x equals 0. So, ito coordinates yan, yun ang pagkakaiba nila. Okay? So, hopefully ay nabigyan ko ng justice itong ibig sabihin ng zeros of a function and yung intercept, yung connection nilang dalawa, and I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial. Subscribe kayo sa ating mga videos and then comment, like, no? Pwede nyo i-like yung sa YouTube. No? Maraming salamat. And of course, I will be very happy kung i-share din niyo sa inyong mga friends. No? Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.